Wealthy investors are increasingly turning to hedge funds to invest in cryptocurrency. They don't want to learn how to invest in crypto themselves. Rather, they would just give their money to a hedge fund manager and allow them to invest in the crypto assets for them. I've always been a do it yourself investor, and my do it yourself strategy has done pretty well for me. Back in 2000, I got a divorce and I lost half of everything that I owned. And I was determined to make it back using cryptocurrency. I was fortunate to be able to buy the dip back in March of 2020 and acquire Bitcoin at below 7,000, Ethereum at below $200. I've been investing in crypto assets since 2013 when Bitcoin was selling below $500. I challenge you to learn how to do DeFi yield farming. Go to the URL at the top of the screen and register to learn how to do DeFi yield farming on the Osmosis blockchain.